Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. I thought I would do a video on XCN because I haven't done a video on XCN in a long time, and frankly, it looks horrible. So this is on the monthly time frame. This is on the Coinbase chart. Obviously, our massive weekly resistance and even monthly resistance is up there at 0.00444. And then you have more resistance up here at 286. I know that this is one of my most watched videos on the channel. That's why I'm doing a video on it right now. So the weekly or monthly chart is still overbought, even though it just made a lower high. It has had a massive correction, but it's still overbought, which is kind of surprising to me, and to me it's extremely bearish. The weekly time frame trying to get a bounce, but obviously it is struggling. Your low on the weekly time frame was basically 109 with 2 zeros. So right now you are sitting on support at 11.7 or 11.5. And your next resistance on the weekly time frame would be 261. Again, this is on the massive time frames. To the downside, you have massive weekly and monthly support at 64 with 3 zeros. It's kind of hard to look at this because the chart looks so bad. The 3-day time frame just overbought, made another lower high. So to me, there's no reason to be long on this asset. If anything, I would continue to be short. The 3-day time frame is overbought, made another lower high. The previous high was 18.4. Now this high is down to 16.2. Really, to me, it's just extremely bearish. The daily time frame is oversold, trying to hold this local support that we have here at 12.1 or 11.5, and that's what we're looking at. Now, on the smaller time frames, you definitely have resistance up here at 16.2. You've used it as support, then eventually used it as resistance here back in July or earlier this month. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I guess it would have been last month, 2 months ago, because now we're in September. Wow. So 16 is strong resistance to the downside. You do have massive support. I guess it would even be like 12 where you have the support at. The good thing is that daily is oversold, but again, the 3 days probably going to keep pushing you down. The 4-hour chart is trying to get a bounce. Now, the 4-hour time frame does not get back above 13. 3, that is going to be another lower high in the 4-hour time frame. So that's something to watch out for. If this gets overbought and does not break 13.3, that's extremely bearish. So right now, just on the massive 1 hour is also bearish. On the massive time frame, such as the 3-day and especially on the monthly, I would just, there's no reason to be long on this. I think long term this will continue to bleed out. Your next support, like I said, is 3068, which is basically 7. So it's just not looking good for this asset. And if you break 7, then you're at new lows and that was in the low where it was in the bear market. It was September of last year. So if you break that, you'd be at new lows from over a year ago. So we'll see what happens. But overall, that's what I'm looking at. To me, it's bearish, and I would only be short, and I wouldn't trade this unless you're day trading it going long. I wouldn't go long, not financial advice. That's what I see on XCN. If you guys have a request for other coins, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next update.